Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download CarBridge on iOS device so you can watch YouTube in car. This app makes it super easy to transfer apps from an iPhone to your car's dashboard, giving you access to YouTube and almost any other app right on the screen. So, if you want to find out how to enjoy YouTube directly on car's display, stay tuned as I walk you through the entire installation process, step by step. Just a quick reminder, stay safe and never use CarBridge while driving. Now, let's dive in. Before jumping into the installation, there are a couple of important settings you need to adjust. Head over to Settings, select Battery, and make sure Low Power Mode is turned off, as it can interfere with how the app functions. Then, go back to Settings, go to General, tap on Background App Refresh, and set it to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure smooth performance. Once you've made these changes, you're ready to proceed. Let's continue. Open your browser and go to appbinge.com, a trusted source for modded apps. Search for CarBridge, tap on it, and you'll see a pop-up window with details like download stats and users' reviews. Hit Download Now, and the installation will begin automatically. It's quick, and once finished, you will see a confirmation message. If you don't, you might need to download a few free additional files, but don't worry, it's a standard verification step for first-time website users. In case it's needed, the screen will provide clear instructions to guide you through this simple process. After completing it, the installation will finalize, and the app will be ready to use. I've already got it myself, and everything runs perfectly. And that's it! That's how easy it is to download CarBridge and watch YouTube on your car's dashboard using it. Thanks for watching until the end. If this guide helped and everything is working as expected, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more similar tutorials. If you got any questions or issues, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you again and see you in the next video.